7:45 in the morning. We have a light rain going on, but it's rain. It's been raining all night. The gutter looks good, so everything's draining. Looks like flow. Here comes a little wind now. One of the bands of wind. Right now, our wind gusts are around 35 mile an hour, maybe. They're saying they're in the 30 range.